My name is Margarita Ken, and I'm gonna present you about my adventure. My adventure started last week. I was traveling with my friends to go on a summer camp. Really, I don't want to go this camp, but this was so fantastic. Saturday in the morning, we go backpacking to the mountain. It's been so tired for all. When we finish, we have already gone to drink water. Then I haven't gone to sleep yet because we gone to listen to music and dance in the night. It was so fun. On Sunday morning, my friends have already gone mountain biking. I have done rock climbing. It was been so hard for me, but it was a new experience. In the night, I come back to my home. Really, I recommend to all of you to this summer camp because I have a good experience. Thank you for attention. See you the next time.